Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is another cook and clean with me. I hope you are enjoying this series on my channel. I'm gonna have the playlist linked down below. If you're new or this is your first time just tuning in, this week on my channel is cooking and cleaning week, so I'm focusing on like a ton of just yummy recipes and trying new things and just showing you like my family favorites. So new uploads are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I'll have the playlist to this like series either linked down below my description box, or like this video will just be part of that playlist, so you can go check out any other uploads there are. So today I am making honey garlic chicken. This is a brand new recipe to me. I've never tried it. I did not create this recipe. I will have it linked in my description box. But yeah, I've never tried this recipe. It looks delicious, so I can't wait to try it. And side note, it is so hot here. Like, I'm ready for fall and it is going to be 95 here. I'm in like a little sundress today. Like, it's so hot. So chicken is actually still defrosting. So while chicken is defrosting, I'm going to tackle our bedrooms. I need to change the bed sheets and like just kind of tidy up and vacuum and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that. My kitchen's in good shape. All I really need to do is dishes. So that'll probably be all the cleaning that's in this video. And then we'll like jump into to cooking. I'll probably do dishes after I cook, but I'll still include it in this video. So yeah, for anybody new here, or again, this is just your first time tuning in, my husband works weird hours, so dinner time for us is actually in the afternoon. This is when we have like our big family like sit down dinners. So it's actually 10:30, 11 o'clock right now, and like I said, I'm gonna do the bedrooms and then I'm gonna cook. So we'll probably eat around noon, but just to throw that out there. So yeah, so I'll probably pop on here after or at some point, but that's it. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it, and please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. So with that being said, let's get started.
I'm feeling so high, don't you know, don't you know, I'm living in shadow, don't you know, don't you know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Oh my God. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know, I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Oh my God. Yes, I did.
to start this cooking, I just have a saucepan. I have carrots on the stove boiling. It's just like plain old, just cut up carrots. And I'm also just making some plain old box mac and cheese with this because I just felt like cheating, and Annie's has a new mac and cheese out, and I love Annie's. So this recipe, I am starting off by melting 3 tablespoons of butter in that pan over medium-high heat, and then I'm going to add 6 cloves of garlic. Yes, you heard me right, 6 cloves of garlic. You know it's a good recipe when that's how the recipe starts, is butter and garlic. So you're going to throw that garlic in there just for like 30 seconds to a minute. It really doesn't need to be long. You don't really need to cook the garlic. You just want to get it a little bit soft. And again, still have your pan over medium-high heat. And then I am going to add in a 1/4 cup of honey and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard whisked together with a little salt and pepper. And I am just letting that cook over medium-high heat. You want it, again, to cook down to get a little bit of a reduction. And then I'm going to pour it over my chicken breast, which is just like lightly seasoned with salt and pepper. Again, you don't need to cook this honey mustard sauce for very long. So I'm going to pour that over the chicken breast, and I'm going to pop it in the oven. You only need to put it in for about 15 minutes. So while that is cooking, I am going to shift and do my dishes and just kind of like a general kitchen cleanup, so you can watch me do that.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you messed with my head. You lied to my mother.
So once the chicken's been in for 15 minutes, you're going to take it out, and you're pretty much going to baste the chicken breast in whatever is like at the bottom of the pan. And this really makes a difference, and you just get to like scrape all that delicious like stuff on the bottom. Oh man, it's so good. And then you're gonna pop it back in the oven. My oven is on 425 right now, so just pop it back in the oven, and I believe mine took about another 10 minutes, but you'll just do it until however long your chicken is done. That is the finished product, guys. This recipe, oh man, it knocked my socks off. And the mac and cheese was really good too. So if you see that in your market, pick up the new Annie's 4-cheese box mac and cheese. It was really good. There's my girl. Are you gonna have carrots?
No.
You're not gonna eat any vegetables today?
No, I'm going to eat strawberry.
Well, I was thinking maybe you could have some carrots and some mac and cheese.
No, that's scary.
It's scary. Carrots aren't scary. Carrots are delicious.
No, they're yucky.
No.
No, they're yucky.
Oh.
No, Nelly, yucky.
No!
No, yucky.
Oh man, guys, that was so good. Like I said, I've never tried that recipe before, and I am 100% like on board. That is a like staple in our house now. Like Chris loved it, I love it, Evelyn ate her carrots. It was so good. Oh my goodness. I'm like, not very often do I try a new recipe where I'm just like you guys have to try that. That was so flippin' good. Oh my goodness. And then we just took, actually I can show you, we just took like the rest of the pan drippings. Like we ate all the chicken, but we just like served like the pan drippings over the carrots. So good. So yeah, so that wraps it up. The only thing that I want to add is, like I said, I'm gonna list the recipe down in my description box, but the only thing I want to add is make sure the pan that you use is relatively small. You don't want to use like such a big pan. Like you want the glaze that you put on top of the chicken to be able to like pool, because if it doesn't pool and it just like coats the bottom of the pan, it's just all gonna burn. And you want it to like have some left over to like baste the chicken and stuff like that. So that's the only advice that I had, but it says it in the recipe, so but yeah, so that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know I really enjoyed today's video. That is so good. Oh my goodness. So that wraps up today's video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Like I said, I hope you're enjoying Cooking and Cleaning Week, because I know that I am. So I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.